Chapter 2, Video Part 5. Here through this example number 2, you will understand. Find the LCM of 112, 168, 266 by prime factorization method. So to find prime factorization, to find LCM of these 112, 168, 266, you have to use prime factorization method. So write prime factorization of 112 first. You know that this is divisible by the smallest prime number 2. 2 5 are 10, 2 6 are 12. Now 2 2 are 4, 2 8 are 16. Again by 2. Here you get 14. And again by 2. 14 is divisible 7 times. And 7 is divisible by 7 one time. 168 now. To find the prime factorization of this number, you can divide this by the smallest prime number 2. 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8. Again this is divisible by 2, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4. Again by 2 you get here 21. Again this is divisible by 3 now, you get 7. And 7 is divisible by 67, you get 1. Again 266. Find prime factorization of this. You will divide by 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 3 are 6. You know that 133 is neither divisible by 2 exactly and nor divisible by 3 exactly. So you will check this 133 is divisible by 7. 7 से डिवाइड करके देखिए 7 1 जा 7, 7 9 जा 63, and your 19 is exactly divisible by 90. Now write prime factorization of 112 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times and 7. 168 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. 266 is equal to 2 into 7 into 19. Hence LCM of 112, 168, 266 will be equal to. See, in these three index 1, 2, 3, you got three index of prime factorization of 112, 168, and 266. Here, you have to find the common prime factor in all these three index. So what are common prime factors? Select them. So you find that this 2, 2, 2. So this 2 is common factor, prime common factor in all the index. So write this one time 2. Now select the next one. You got this 7 in the next common prime factors of these three index. So write here 7 to multiply with 2. Now select the third. So you see that no other prime factor is common in all three index except 2 and 7. Now you can find out common prime factor in first and second index. You can see that this 2 into 2 is common in first and second index. So multiply with here 2 multiply 2. Now you can see in first and second index no more common factors. And if you check in second and third index, second third index में भी आपको कोई common factor नहीं दिख रहा है. If you check in first and last index, तो first और last index में भी अब कोई common prime factor नहीं दिख रहा है. So you will multiply the remaining common factors with the factors written here. 2 multiply 3 multiply 19. 2, 3 and 19 are to multiply with 2 into 7 into 2 into 2. Now find the product. You get 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 2 ja 16, 16 3 ja 48, 48 7 ja. You can find out again 2 2 ja 4 or 2 7 ja 14, 14 2 ja 28, 28 2 ja 56, 56 2 ja 112, 112 3 ja 336 and multiply 336 with 19. 9 6 ja 54 or directly you can multiply 336 by 19. 19 6 ja 114, 114 write 4 11 carry 19 6 ja 114, 114 को 4 लिखेंगे 1 11 कैरी हो जाएगा 19 3 ja 57, 57 में आप 11 प्लस कर लीजिए 57 58 and then 68 को 8 लिखेंगे 6 कैरी होगा 19 3 ja 54, 54 में आप 6 ऐड करोगे तो मिलेगा 60। इस तरह से आपका एलसीएम यहाँ हो गया 6084। In this way you got LCM of given numbers by long division method. Now understand this example. Here you have to find out LCM of 22, 54, 108 and 135 and 198 by long division method. So to find long division method, let us see 22, 54, 108, 135, 198. These are the numbers to find LCM by long division method. So this is the process to find LCM by long division method. Take these numbers and select the common prime factors which can divide almost numbers here. But we will start with the smallest prime number. You can see this is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2, this is also divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2. So you can take 2, the smallest prime number, because a few numbers are divisible by the smallest prime number 2. So divide 22 by 2, you get 11 here, here 27 and here 54, here 2 9 18, 2 9 18, 99, take down 135. Again check if any of these divisible by 2 or not. You find this 54 is divisible by 2. So divide this 54 by 2. You get here 27. Now no more. 11 is not divisible by 2. 27 not divisible by 2. These are also not divisible by 2. Take down them again. 1 to 7. Here 135 to take down. 99 to take down. Now see, no numbers here divisible by 2, but divisible by 3. 27 divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. So take the second smallest prime number. Second smallest prime number is 3. Divide 27 by 3. You get 9 here. Here 9 and 3 4 is 12. 3 5 is 15 here. 3 3 is 9. 3 3 is 9. 11 to take down. Again by 3 you can divide. 3 3 is 9. 3 3 is 9. Here 15. Here 11. Take down 11. Again you can divide this by 1 time. Take 5 times. Take down the remaining numbers again. Now you can divide this 5 by 5. 5 1 is 5. Take down 1 1. Here and 11. Take down 11. Here 11 also to take down. Now you can see that the remaining 11 only, and 11 is exactly divisible by 11 only. Take down 11 1 1 1 1. Now here write hence LCM of 52, 54, 108, 135 and 198 will be equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 11 is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12, 12 3 the 36, 36 5 the 36 5 the 5 3 the 30 and 5 3 the 15 3 18, 36 5 the 180 and again multiply this 180 by 11, 11 1 the 11 0 the 0, 11 1 the 88, 8 carry, 11 1 the 11 and 8 19. So 198, 1980 is the required LCM. Multiply again here, 2 to the 4, 4 3 12, 3 36, 5 the 180 and 180 multiply by 11, the results 1980, 11 1 the 0, 11 0 the 0, 11 1 the 88, 8 carry, 11 1 the 11 and 8 19, so 1980 is the required LCM of 22, 54, 108, 135